Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, all colleagues. It's lovely to see all of you. My first question is directed to Prime Minister. Is the question is at a higher level of abstraction. We all know that we're being told we need a vaccine, and the quest for a vaccine is all-consuming globally. But people who think about this issue and the question of the power structure, the profit motive, particularly Dr. Matthew Herder of the Public Health Law Institute at Dalhousie University, questioning this model. We know that Jonas Salk never sought a patent on his polio vaccine. Can we ensure that public dollars going to find a vaccine will result in a product that is shared globally, openly, and not for profit?
The Honourable Minister.
So, Mr. Speaker, I want to take this opportunity to thank the member for her question. Our approach has been very clear when it comes to science. We have an open science model where we're working with different partners in different jurisdictions to help develop potential vaccines, to look at countermeasures and other therapeutics. And our goal is to make sure that we do so in a collaborative fashion because this is a global pandemic. But make no mistake, if it's Canadian ingenuity and Canadian IP that's driving it, we want to support them as well.
Yeah, just as a follow-up, thank you, Mr. Chair. As a follow-up to the Minister, it was interesting to see that the claim made by this Public Health Institute at Dalhousie that the wonderful research that was being done in Winnipeg on an Ebola vaccine, because of the for-profit motive and the interest in Big Pharma in seeing their market before they developed the product, it's alleged that the Ebola vaccine was actually delayed by the for-profit model. So I'm wondering if we might, again, Mr. Minister, consider examining this profit motive around the development of life-saving vaccines and other drugs. Is that a conversation that the Minister is having with others?
The Honourable Minister.
So again, I'd like to thank the member for her question. I'm working very closely with my colleague, Minister Haidu, as well as the Chief Science Advisor to look at all options. And I'm glad she highlighted the Ebola virus, which was developed here in Canada. I'm also proud of the fact that the DNA sequencing for SARS was also done in Canada. So we have incredible scientists and researchers. We are engaging with them and we are empowering them, and we'll continue to share those details with the public.